Yeah, it's cold today. It's cold today and it's been cold for a while here. We are in Cochrane, Alberta, Canada. It's 20 degrees below zero at the moment, and that's about 5 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. This is our food trailer. It's a pizza trailer, to be more exactly. And we got an amazing product for a while already. We were testing and we are really happy to have it. It's an Xtreme Heater, 1000 watt industrial edition, and that tool it's making our life way easier with this weather, and I will show you next how we install it. This is the outside wall of where the Xtreme Heater is working right now. It's minus 10 degrees approx. And I will show you inside what's the temperature in that same place, so you can have a real idea of how this bad boy works. It's plus 8 degrees Celsius, and if you go around, given the airflow, the temperature even rise. Okay, now we are inside and it feels nice inside. The system we installed, it's this Xtreme Heater. It's a 1000 watt industrial edition. It's doing a really amazing job to keep all our water system on temperatures above zero. This allows us to run the system throughout the winter without any issues. You can see now what the temperature at the moment. It's 31 Fahrenheit, and that's enough to keep the system running without any issues, without any broken pipes. And this allows us to work through the winter. No matter what's the weather, we can go out and run our pizza trailer and work without any issues, running water, either cold, hot. This is a really amazing thing, and it's as simple as it looks. You just need to power it up 120 volt. This will give you the opportunity to work non-stop, and so we are super happy. We've been running this test for more than 2 months, and this means the whole winter in Canada, which is tough to say real. So yeah, we are really happy with this tool. Thank you to Xtreme Heaters and to Steve to give us the opportunity to try this product. I would recommend it 100%, and at the moment I know this is my go-to anytime I'm building my next trailers, either for food industry or any other business that I will be running in the future. Okay, so now I want to show you some real data. Before installing the Xtreme Heater, we got a lot of variation on temperatures, but from December 28th, when we installed it, on the temperature stabilized a lot. The minimum temperature is always above 50 Fahrenheit, which is amazing for us. And another thing that I noticed is how the relative humidity went down, which is amazing because what we are trying to avoid is to build any mold or anything that high humidity can bring inside the trailer. So dropping the humidity by all this amount, it's something that it's a really good news as well. So overall, we are extremely happy with the results. We will continue to understand all the information, and obviously we will continue to use this antifreeze system all the way, all the year round. And hopefully the rest of this winter and next winters will be nothing to deal with other than work, but no freezing pipes, no issues at all, hopefully. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video on the review of the Xtreme Heater 1000 watt. Please leave any comment, questions. I will link the product in the comments, so you can go and check on your own. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.